Hello again everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple paper airplane. The plane should fly very well indoor and it doesn't fly well outdoor. So let's start now. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. And if you don't have US letter size paper, you can use A4 paper as well. Now let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Alright, so very simple. And then let's unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from both edges here, this edge and this edge, fold this to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. And then start from this line, fold the triangle shape down. Okay, and then start from this line, fold the triangle shape here down. Let me turn the paper this way so I can fold it. Next step, let's turn the paper over. Now, start from this edge, fold it straight to this edge. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Before we repeat the same fold for the other side, let's start from this line and fold a straight line to here. You can see the line down here. Use this line and the tip here as a reference. Alright, so it's maybe off. I need to fix it. Let me fix it for now. Perfect. So let me fix this side and I repeat the same fold for the other side. For the other side, this is very simple. I can just match this tip to the other corner as well. And I repeat the same fold here. Okay. If this is off, if it is off, we need to adjust it. See, so this side I didn't fold correctly. Let me fix it first. I'll move this a little bit more. Here we go. So looks much better. And I fix this side as well. Okay, so they should be even now. To make them even. Okay. So they are even now. Let's press down the paper. On the following step, let's turn the paper over. So this is what we have so far. We have the tip here, and I'll just show you what we have. We have this side. Alright, so I'll turn the paper over again. Okay, just show you the other side. After you turn the paper over, let's start from this tip, fold straight to this point. I will turn the paper this way again, and I'll just fold it down. Okay. After I fold this down, I will just leave it here. Alright, I will turn the paper over and I fold the paper in half. Very simple. I'll fold the paper in half, and now I can match this tip straight to this tip to create the wings. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. Here we go, and I can open the wings. Now we have the wings, right? We have two wings. We have two on the bottom and two big wings. And at the end of the wings, I'll create the elevators and stabilizers as well. So estimate about 1 inch along this edge and fold straight like this. This will make sure that the plane will fly up. Same thing for the other side. To fold the other side, I will fold the wings back, and I will use this edge of the others of the wing that we fold ready as a reference to create the stabilizer for the leftover wing. So here we go. So this is what we have, right? We have 2 wings and we have 2 small wings on the bottom here. 2 small wings here we can actually customize to create the elevators, or you can leave it like this, right? We can have 2 small wings here, we have 2 big wings. Okay, to make sure that it will fly well, I will create the elevators. Actually I will create the stabilizers. At this point I can just match this edge to this side. Actually I just adjusted a little bit. Here we go. So this is how it stabilizers, and I repeat the same for this side as well. Just put a little bit more. And here we go. So we have the stabilizer. We have this plane has 4 stabilizers, and it should fly very well indoor. Check it out and let me know how it flies. It is raining in my area. I will not make the test flight today. However, I will create a test flight for this plane very soon. Finally, don't forget to give video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channels. Subscribe to this channel and the other channel as well. And I will have a very exciting news for you guys. Just hold on. I will share the new videos and you will know the news soon. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.